Hello and welcome to EduBridge IAS in News. In this video, we will talk about recent Supreme Court judgment जिसमें some of the parts of 97th Constitutional Amendment Act has been held up unconstitutional. इस डिस्कशन में हम बात करेंगे why this is in news about 97th Constitutional Amendment Act, what are the arguments presented by central government, and what are the types of amendment, what is the ruling of Supreme Court, and also we will talk about dissenting verdict and doctrine of severability. You can relate this topic with the GS paper 2. उसमें टॉपिक है स्ट्रक्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द जुडिशरी एंड ऑल्सो इश्यूज चैलेंजेस pertaining to federal structure, and this topic is also important for your prelims examination. आप पूछेंगे कि why should we study one particular judgment from the Supreme Court. इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड इन 2018 which was concerned about one particular judgment from Supreme Court, and also 2017 में Supreme Court ने पूछा था about right to privacy judgment. So this topic is also important. Before we begin our discussion, if you are preparing for UPSC 2021 prelims, we are coming up with our current affairs course that is beginning from 1st of August. You can find the details about this course in the description of this video, and you can also visit our website www.edubridgeias.com. So why this topic is in news? Because recently the Supreme Court of India, in a majority of 2-1 verdict, upheld 2013 verdict of Gujarat High Court and struck down certain provisions of Constitutional 97th Amendment Act 2011. केस का नाम क्या था? यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया वर्सेस राजेंद्र शाह केस. It is considered as a major boost for federalism in the country, as the 97th Constitutional Amendment had strengthened the exclusive authority of states over cooperative societies. अब यहाँ एक बात इंटरेस्टिंग है कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वर्डिक्स आते हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट की 5 जजेस की बेंच से, बट हियर देयर आर ओनली 3 जजेस इन दिस बेंच. तो वी विल आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन इन आवर डिस्कशन एज वेल. पहले 97th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट के बारे में बात करें तो दिस एक्ट एडेड पार्ट 9B राइट आफ्टर द पार्ट 9A रिगार्डिंग द कोऑपरेटिव्स वर्किंग इन इंडिया. इसमें इट हैज़ आर्टिकल्स फ्रॉम 243ZH टू 243ZT, जिसमें बात की गई है कि इनकॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज़, नंबर एंड टर्म्स ऑफ members of the board, election, supersession and suspension, audit of accounts, convening of general body meetings, right of members to get information about returns, offences and penalties, application to multi-state cooperative societies and also to union territories. इसके साथ ही it also inserted article 43B in the part 4 of the constitution. जिस पार्ट 4 of the constitution provides about directive principle of state policy, जिसमें promotion of cooperative society was added. इसके साथ ही this 97th constitutional amendment act made cooperatives, formation of cooperatives as a fundamental right of citizen under article 19 1 subclause C. This is the cooperative society which is a fundamental right now. अगर हम पहले सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के कोर्ट में आर्ग्यूमेंट्स की बात करें तो the central government justified these amendment that these were injecting professionalism and autonomy into the functioning of the society. पहले क्या होता था कि many politicians were made the chairman of the cooperative societies, so उनकी autonomy and professionalism were compromised. इसके साथ ही The lack of accountability was another issue which had led to poor service and low productivity from the cooperative societies, and even elections were not held on time. So cooperative societies had to be run on well established democratic principles. Before we go to the Supreme Court ruling, we have to understand what are the types of amendment in the Constitution. There are mainly three types of amendments. One, by the simple majority of Parliament, which it includes creation of new states, official language, etc. And other type of amendment are by special majority of Parliament and consent of states, consent of 50, at least 50% of states. इसमें इंक्लूड है इलेक्शन ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट, आर्टिकल 368 itself, and the third type of amendments are those by special majority of the parliament, जो जिसमें इंक्लूड है जो इन दोनों कैटेगरी में नहीं आते हैं, those that are included in this category, and also fundamental right, DPSP, these are amended by this type of majority. If we talk about the court's ruling, it has said that Part 9 of 9B of the Constitution has significantly and substantially impacted the state legislature's exclusive legislative power under entry 32 of state list under 7th schedule of the Constitution. The entry 32 of the state list provides that incorporation, regulation, winding up of corporation other than those specified in list 1. List 1 में कौन सी है? We will see हम थोड़ी देर में देखेंगे. State has powers of regulating these corporation. The court also pointed out कि how Article 243ZI makes it clear that state may only make law on incorporation, regulation and winding up of cooperative societies subject to the provision of Part 9B of the 97th Constitutional Amendment. इसके साथ ही the court has also said that although the constitution is quasi-federal in India and it is tilted in the favor of the center, but however within their own spheres the states have exclusive power. मतलब state list पर states have exclusive power to legislate on these topics. The court has also said that the 97th Constitutional Amendment needed to be ratified by at least one half of the states under Article 368 Clause 2, but this was not done in the case of 97th Amendment. इसको हम थोड़ा डिटेल में देखें तो the 97th Amendment Act was passed by the Parliament, then it had to be sent to half of the states for ratification, and then it had to be sent to President for his or her assent. But ratification of half of the states was not taken, and the central government has directly sent the bill after passing from Parliament for the presidential assent. The court has further did not strike down the portion of Part 9B of the Constitution, which are concerned with multi-state cooperative societies. The court had said that when it comes to multi-state cooperative societies, which are not confined to one particular state, the legislative power is that of Union of India, which is contained in entry 44 of List 1. List 1 कौन सी है? Union List, which says that incorporation, regulation and winding up of corporation with objects not confined to one state. तो यहाँ पर authority बनेगी, legislation की authority बनेगी Union of India की. The court also declared that Part 9 of the Constitution is operative only only with respect to multi-state cooperative society, both within various states and in union territories. The central government argued in the court that no state government had challenged this amendment, and rather, out of the 28 states, 17 states had enacted legislation incorporating provisions of Part 9B, which means that state governments has accepted the restrictions laid out in this part. But court ने कहा कि नहीं, citizen of India can also challenge constitutional amendments as being procedurally infirm. एंड जब कोई सिटीजन ऐसा करता है तो दैट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ द कोर्ट टू एग्जामिन such challenges on merit, as the Constitution of India is National Charter of Governance, which is affecting persons, citizen and institutions alike. The court ने यहाँ पर 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Acts का एग्जाम्पल दिया, which these are related to पंचायती राज institution and 74th is municipality. यहाँ पर कोर्ट ने कहा कि these were first passed by the parliament, then sent for ratification by 50 at least half of the states, and then these were sent to president for his assent. तो यहाँ पर in the case of 97th constitutional amendment ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया गया? The court further reiterated that the judgment is confined to procedural aspect of Article 368 Clause 2, मतलब it is only related with the ratification by half of the states, and there is no substantive challenge to Part 9B on the ground of basic structure of doctrine, which was laid down in केशवानंद भारती case. अब आपको समझ में आया होगा कि why this case is pronounced by 3 judges, not by the constitutional bench of 5 judges. The central government argued that we want to achieve uniformity in the working of cooperative societies. The court said कि इसके लिए आपके पास एक तरीका अवेलेबल है, that is to use Article 252 of the Constitution, which deals with the power of the parliament to legislate for 2 or more states when 2 or more states request center to legislate on any topic of state list. उस केस में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट can legislate on any state list. If we talk about the dissenting verdict in this judgment, the third judge on the bench, Justice K.M. Joseph, said that supported the majority view that Part 9B does not apply to state cooperatives, but he went one step further and said that it cannot be applied to multi-state cooperative societies as well. He argued that to sustain these provisions related to multi-state cooperative societies, Article 243ZI to 243ZQ and Article 243ZT will have to be resurrected, जो provide करते हैं about incorporation, election, membership, etc. So in this case, doctrine of severability will be applied. Otherwise, the provisions related to multi-state cooperative societies will not be applicable. तो डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ severability क्या बोलता है? It says कि whenever any particular provision of any statute or legislation offends or is against a constitutional limitation, but if that provision is separable from the rest of the statute, only that portion which is offending the constitutional limitations, only that portion will be declared void and not the entire statute. But in this case, suppose the Article 243ZI, it is providing for incorporation for state cooperatives as well as for the multi-state cooperatives, so this cannot be separated. So he gave a dissenting verdict. If we talk about the significance of this verdict, when well-intentioned reforms are against federal principles, well-intentioned reforms कौन से हुए? Autonomy, election, etc. of the state cooperatives, and also other side the federal principles are legislation on the state list by the central government. So in such cases the federal principles will have more weightage. You can join our Telegram channel at edubridge_IAS, where you will get the PDF of this discussion. You can attempt daily quiz, and also you will get daily current affairs. Thank you very much.